Oh, I'm doing a video. 42 days of Keto Chow. Let's see. Today's day 16, I think. Right, Kate?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We're doing sledding. I guess I must be old because I take the kids sledding and I just kind of stand on the sidelines now. But they're having fun. Spent all morning shoveling snow. Because our house is under construction, the garage is not a place for cars. The garage is a place to store wood and other stuff. So our cars were out on the driveway, and it's the first real snow that we've gotten this year here in Utah, in Salt Lake, Riverton. Actually, right now we're in Harriman, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, except we're just visiting Harriman. So my hair looks awesome because I've been wearing a hood all day. Yeah. Anyway, so day's been going good. I had breakfast and lunch for Keto Chow. I didn't really get tired. I just got tired. I didn't get fatigued shoveling the snow, but anyway, yeah, have to park on the driveway. That's what I was getting at. Sorry, got distracted. Want to chase rabbits? So because we had to park on the driveway, I couldn't use the snow blower that we got used several years ago for really much of anything, so I had to do it all by hand with a snow shovel. And then I went and helped out the neighborhood with shoveling, because that's what I do, apparently. So I got quite a bit of shoveling done today. My Fitbit, what does it say I'm up to now? 8,000? I usually do better than that. Oh, okay. Anyway, so it's been a good day so far. We have a keto meetup that's going to be this evening. That'll be a lot of fun, especially since I can't eat anything but Keto Chow. Usually we bring a whole bunch of really awesome stuff and just kind of make a big giant meal out of it, but well, today we're still bringing some awesome stuff, except I'm bringing Sam's Club sells Frank's Red Hot chicken or buffalo chicken dip stuff. I think it's great, but it's really easy to make. You buy it. Although on the side of Frank's Red Hot, they do have the recipe to make it yourself, and I've done it before, and it's good. But when I don't really have the desire to cook anything because I'm not going to be eating anything, it's hard to find the motivation to cook stuff for other people, though I do it all the time. Anyway, so I'm just going to get that and a bunch of pork rinds. And then I've got the last two meetups, even though we do it at the Keto Chow warehouse, we're not pushing Keto Chow or anything like that. It happens to be at that location. So the first time we did one, I actually had pictures of Keto Chow for people to try if they wanted to, and a couple people did. This time I just mixed up a couple blender bottles. So if somebody wants to try some, I'll have some cups. They can try it. I'm more interested in just people doing keto, whether they use Keto Chow or not. So anyway, looking forward to that. That should be great. And I need to mix up Keto Chow for tomorrow, right?
Probably.
Yeah, because I mixed up enough for yesterday and today. So wait, no, I mixed up 4 days worth. Okay, I'm good. I'm good for tomorrow, so I don't have to mix any up. I think I might be good for Monday too. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, that's the update. Catch you later.